Good morning, students. In previous video of this lesson, I have told you about the game archery. Archery means shooting with bow and arrow. Do you know about bow and arrow? You know, fairs are held in towns and cities. The children mostly visit there with their parents. Have you ever bought bow and arrows from there? Okay. See in picture, one man is holding a bow in his hand. In Hindi, we called it Dhanush and arrow, that is Teer. Bow is an object for shooting an arrow. We are watching Ramayana serial on TV in these days. There you can see how Lord Rama and Lakshman are shooting arrows with their bows to kill Ravan and his family. Now, I am going to start the reading of lesson Nasruddin's Aim. Listen carefully. One day, Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. Here the word is chatting. Chatting means talking informally. See in picture, the man who is in red dress, he is Nasruddin and other men are his friends. One day, Nasruddin was talking to his friends. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery." Here the word is boast, means to talk with excessive pride. Means he was proud of his skill in archery. Proud means गर्व होना कि उसको अपनी आर्चरी स्किल पे बहुत ही गर्व था. He is so perfect in his skill and no one can compete with him. I string the bow, take aim and shoot the arrow. Whoosh. The arrow is sure to hit right on target. Here the word is sure. Means certainly, definitely. Nasruddin told his friends, whenever he shot the arrow hit right on the target. Target means aim or goal. Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. Here the word is hearing, means listening, sunna. Immediately, at once, उसी समय. When Nasruddin was talking about his skill, then his friends were listening to him. At once, one of his friends brought a bow and arrows and gave to Nasruddin. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." Then one of his friends gave bow and arrows to Nasruddin. Then pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." Here the word is pointing, means indicating, इशारा करना. After giving him bow and arrows, his friend pointed at the target. Black dot you can see in picture. and asked him to hit right on that target. Nasruddin held the bow in his hands, strung it, aimed at the target and shot an arrow. Here the word is held. Held means kept in hand, पकड़ना. And strung. Strung it means डोरी खींचना. जो धनुष की डोरी थी उसको खींचना. Now Nasruddin was ready and accept the challenge. He held the bow and fitted an arrow and shot the arrow. Ooh! The arrow didn't hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. You can see in the picture, the arrow didn't hit on the target. It fell down in the middle. Middle means center. बीच में ही, कि ये बीच में ही गिर गया था. It was his first trial. Ha 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 ha. His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim?" All of his friends were laughing at him. They asked Nasruddin, "That is your best aim?" "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. Here the word is defending. Defending means attempting to justify. Then Nasruddin was trying to defend himself. "This wasn't my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just showed you how Azad shoots an arrow." Nasruddin took Azad's name to save himself. He told his friends he was showing the way in which Azad shoots an arrow. Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he strung the bow, aimed at the target, and shot the arrow. This time, the arrow fell a little further from where it had fallen before. Here the word is picked. Picked means uthana. Nasruddin picked up another arrow, fitted on the bow, and shot it. What we see there? Again he failed in his second trial. The arrow fell down a little further. Little further means it didn't cover more distance from the first one. As we can see in the picture, in second trial, the arrow did not hit the target. It fell down a little further from the first one. But it certainly didn't hit the target. Certainly means surely. Surely the arrow did not hit the target in second trial. They asked Nasruddin, "And this must be how you shoot an arrow?" His friends asked Nasruddin, "That is your way to shoot the arrow?" "Of course not," argued Nasruddin. Here the word is argued, means gave reason in support of an idea. Nasruddin told his friends, "This was not my aim," by giving another reason. Even this aim was not mine. It was the chief guard's aim. Here, now he took name of chief guard to save himself. Now somebody remarked, "Well, now who is next on this list?" Here the word is remarked, means commented. Someone made fun of Nasruddin, कि उसका मजाक बनाया, and asked him whose name was next in his list. Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Here the word is burst out laughing, means laughing too much. When his friends listened this comment, they laughed too much at Nasruddin. Nasruddin didn't say a word. He quietly picked up one more arrow. Now Nasruddin did not say any word. Nasruddin kept silent and picked up another arrow and shot it on the target. And again. And this time Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit right on the target. Student, see the picture. Now it was Nasruddin's third trial and he was really lucky. The arrow hit right on the target. Everybody stared at Nasruddin, their mouths agape in amazement. Here the word is stared, means gazed, gurna. And next word is agape. Agape means wide open, कि मुंह खुले रह जाने. Amazement means great surprise. Student, see the faces of Nasruddin's friends who were laughing at him. Now they were surprised to see this. Their mouths were wide open and said nothing. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said triumphantly, "Did you see that? It was my aim." Here the word is triumphantly, means happily and proudly. Nasruddin said happily and proudly, "This was my aim. This was my aim." And he had won the challenge. Okay, this is the story. I hope you have understood it. Okay, students, come to new words. Chatting means talking informally. Archery, shooting with bow and arrow. String, thin rope of bow. Target, aim or goal. Defending, attempting to justify. Amazement, great surprise. triumphantly, happily and proudly. Thanks.